This is Code.org. I'm working on CS Principles, Unit 5, Building Apps, Lesson 5, Building an App Clicker Game, Puzzle 16. Add your own if statement, if I have to, yeah. In most apps, you want to make decisions based on the state of some data you're keeping track of in the game. We've modified the count up and count down to add another screen. When the count reaches a certain value, we'll switch screens. In the code, you'll see an if statement has been added to the event handler, that's this thing, for your up arrow that states, oh, it shows us, okay. So if count is equal, remember 2 equal sign means is equal, and that is because 1 equal sign creates a variable. If I wrote right here, if I wrote count equals with just 1 sign, 20, suddenly my count variable would now be assigned the value of 20. If I want the computer to check if count equals 20, I must have 2 equal sign. They're entirely different things. We've modified count up, yep, okay. If the value of count is equal to 20, then set the screen to game over. Got it. Do this. Add an if statement so that when counting down, the app changes screens when the count reaches -5. Okay. Run the app and click down up arrow 20 times. Okay. 20. Yep, got it. All right, let's So what should happen? We won! Oh no, wow, you just counted to 20. All right, and now we went down. Okay, so we need a... Where do they do it inside of this? So they only check if it's at 20 inside. Okay, so first that has to be called. That makes sense. It's not checking constantly. So if count is equal to -5, we want game over screen. So we want to set screen to game over. Set the game over. Let's try it. Oh, and then we need to... Perfect. That's what works for me. So you do have to have the set label and screen, which was kind of tripping me up. Awesome. Let's keep going.